Howdy folks, how are we doing? Now, as you can see, the Fastrac is missing something. Well, it's missing 4 things actually: wheels and tyres. Now, as I've mentioned in a couple of the previous videos, I was getting on with that, and as you can see, they're gone. The wheels are off, being shot blasted and painted as we speak, and then when they're done, tyres, the new Bridgestone tyres will come back and it'll all get fitted up. So, in the meantime, I've got, as you can see, rusty hubs to paint, and the pads on the front axle, they want changing because they're a little bit down. There's a good opportunity to do them. So that's my job today: change the front brake pads and paint the hubs. Don't you just hate it when you know you've got something in stock but you don't actually check what you've got? Because I want front pads. What have I got? Rear pads. Plonker. How annoying is that? Because of course it's a Saturday, midday now, so Oliver's a bit, I can't just nip to Oliver's and go and grab a set of front pads. But there we go, never mind, I'll do that another day. So just concentrate on these hubs, get these done. Obviously ideal time while the wheels are off. So I mean, they look bad, but it literally is. They're smooth, it's just literally a very light coat of the surface rust. So quick run over with the old wire wheel on the grinder, and we can chuck some paint on these. Right, just gonna take the threads up. Obviously we don't need paint on the threads. Last thing we want. Really got to make sure you shake your can of paint, really hard. Got to do it really hard so it mixes all the paint up, so it comes out in a nice even spray. That's the idea. Oh, I'm not too impressed with this. This is JCB satin black, but it's not fan nozzle by any means. It's like a jet nozzle. Hence how far away, you can't even see me. Hence how far away I'm having to fire it from. Not ideal. Not great. Painting, you want a nice gentle fan so you don't get runs. This is just lobbing it out like you wouldn't believe. I think we'll coat just about. Just have to do it from 3 foot away. Get some sort of fan on it. Not ideal. It's decent paint though, to be fair. Well, that's gone on nice. Well, that is a nice looking bit of paint actually, quality wise, but I've never used it. I've got a bit of cover there, but I've never used a rattle can that fires it out in a jet before. Normally it's a nice spray, but it does seem to have gone on nice. We'll see. I'll go on the others and I'll come back and give that another coat. It does look a good bit of paint, but quite why it's such a jet, I do not know. Hubs are all painted up now. I've also touched up a lot of other bits like the anti-roll bar on the bottom of the front axle, just where they sort of, they lose the paint and they just get a bit of surface rust on. So you just keep them touched up and they don't get any worse then, does it? It don't give the rust any chance to get deeper in, sort of thing. So she's looking really quite smart at the minute. Done the steps, done the back end, like I say, all the little bits around the front end here. So she's going to look smart when we get them freshly painted silver rims on and a new Bridgestone VX tyres. She will look tidy. So looking forward to it. When that's done, I've then got to look at, like I said on one of the previous vids, getting the exhaust manifold and the head skimmed and sorted out, going to be an Oliver's job, and get the clutch issue sorted out on them. So, that'll be an Oliver's job. So, might get a video done while it's over there, with them having a look at that, which would be good, wouldn't it? And when that's done, she'll be right as rain. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that little vid. And do you want to listen to her run? Yeah, you want to listen to her run, don't you? She didn't run for 3 weeks. Ta-ta!